Hi there and welcome. This is Mark Dickinson and I'm really delighted to welcome you to the program that we call Train the Trainer. Train the Trainer is an incredible experience. We do it over 3 days, or if you're going to do our online program, then it's broken down into around 12 sessions. And basically what we do, first of all, is we explain why you need to train. And a lot of people think that they know and understand why we need to train, but the reality is training is the ultimate, most important thing you can do in your business. Why? Through training, you create the skills that will serve your customers in the way that you want your customers to be served. Does that make sense? It absolutely makes sense. You poured all your money into your investment. You've built a restaurant, you've built a hotel, you've built a retail outlet, and you have an amazing product. Now, who are you entrusting to deliver your product? Frontline employees. What do? You hire them, right? So most companies have an HR person who hires on your behalf. Who do they hire? Pretty much whoever comes through the door. And I know a lot of HR people are going to fight with me right here. No, we do selection, etc. So tell me, why is service so mediocre in so many places? Because they're poor hirings or poor training. And so what I want to do through this program is ensure that you take your deep passion for what you do and transfer it to the front line. That's Train the Trainer. Train the Trainer is about helping people understand ABC: attention, breakdown, and check. It means a phenomenal introduction to your training session. Let people understand why, and there are 5 elements to that. Then get into the breakdown. I do it, we do it together, they do it alone. In other words, I show and I tell what it is I want my trainee to do. Then I do it with them step by step. We just walk through every single part of the task that needs to be done. Finally, they do it in front of me, showing me that they can do it. This is phenomenal. And then what happens? C is check. This is where I give a lot of praise. I make sure they've got this process in their heads and they're ready to go out and do it. Then I tell them what's coming up next, and I hang around to make sure that they can ask any questions that they were shy to ask during the training session. That, my friends, is Train the Trainer, because at the end of this program, I guarantee you, you will be able to transfer high quality information instantly to your people. And what's going to happen is you're going to elevate the quality of customer service, you're going to get certified as a trainer, and you are going to cross over from wondering what this fuss is all about, why should we train, to becoming a passionate advocate of training. So I welcome you to join me. You can either book this conference, this program as a 3-day conference live, and I come in and I do it. We can do it for any number of people. We've done this program for 50, 60 people in the same room at the same time. Nobody does that. Our program does it. It's incredible because you get energy, you get the passion, you get the thrill, and we do something which is peer-to-peer learning and peer-to-peer coaching. And so throughout that program, no matter how many people in the room, everybody's going to come out of it with a phenomenal experience. And then the other thing is you can do it online. The thing with online is you don't get certified unless you get in touch with us and you send in a video and all that stuff. But principally, online program, you're going to go through the program, you're going to learn, but we can't validate your experience. So, brilliant program, one of the best, the program I love the most because it has the biggest propensity for encouraging and inspiring change amongst frontline employees in your business. So, sign up now and enjoy the transformation that comes from being a certified trainer who believes in what they're doing.